Oh jeez. Okay, that was horrible. I am being pursued by aliens. I'm doing a... I did a little bit of... Come on, shield's almost done. Anyways, I'm getting so distracted. I'm doing a little bit of... I was doing a little bit of grinding just the pillars to get him down so I can actually do Moonlord. And if I can get over here, then we can... Once I destroy this, then we should be able to do Moonlord. Hopefully we actually defeat him or not. Doom impending approaches. Oh jeez. Oh, the adrenaline. Here it comes. Snap it. Go. Let's heckin' go, my dude. W. We heckin' did it. We heckin' did it. Oh, that's awesome. Come on, man. Can you just not let me have my moment, my dude? Oh, that's awesome. Hard. Okay. Thanks for watching all this whole entire series that I've been doing. It's been actually really fun, and it's finally come to a close. So thank you for all of your support on all of my videos. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you then.